How are you good people? Mrexcel pani chino chirongwa pani pandoda kumbokuratidzai kamwe ka phase. This is different from any other programs that I do, right? So this is a bit different. So I'm going to show you a journey or what it takes for you to build a rural homestead and so I'm going to show you each and every stage. Nichita breakdown michona Mrexcel team ichita basa. Mrexcel team ichivaka from the starting process of site clearance, excavation up until to the completion of this structure. So this is going to be a journey. So I'm going to fragment this video and kuti ringoita ma pieces so that you get to see each and every stage and you get to have an insight of what it takes. So vanenge vachida kuzovakirwa handitika namba ndidzo dzidzi dziri kubuda pa screen handiti you can contact us pa namba dziri kubuda ipapo tokuvakirai. Mrexcel team inouya anyway around Zimbabwe tokuvakirai. So vanoda kudesignirwa futi ma house plans nekucalculatorwa ma bill of quantities, you just let me know ku inbox again pa namba idzo dzidzi. So we design my house plans, then we calculate my bill of quantities. A bill of quantities is just a list of materials that you are going to use per structure. So you get an overview of the budget that you are going to spend in purchasing materials anenge achizodiwa ipapo. Kuchizoita vamwe vanodawo ma 3D visuals, you can just come again ku inbox tokugadzira ma 3D visuals again. So for this house, if you remember very well, I made a 3D visual for this one. So this house is coming into life. So I want to show you the journey. Make sure to follow up and see what it takes for you to build a house in rural areas, for you to build the reality, the real of it. So ndingangoti pa foundation apa pakashandiswa 18,000 bricks ndo dzakashandiswa ipapo. Then tikatanga kutarisa on the preliminary stages, we have site clearance and we have the excavation process. As you can see, that's Mrexcel team doing the excavation process, vachi excavate vari ku site. So we actually moved from Mutare to that place. So anywhere around Zimbabwe, guys, we just agree in terms of transport and food and accommodation. Then we'll be there to deliver the service as expected, as designed, or as it is on the plan. I'm very happy to inform you that for this structure, it took us time to do this structure, but for me, I value taking time so that you create perfection, because I'm after perfection, right, guys? So I value to take time. At the end of the day, you come up with what satisfies the customer and satisfies isusu zvakare kuti otadi taita basa, we have a certain achievement, client inenge ichitiwo we have a certain achievement. Both parties will be happy at the end of the day. So that's our principle, that's our morale. We deliver maximum service, excellent service. Witness the Mrexcel team on the ground doing it. You're going to see, mostly you're going to hear my manager introduced him in one of my videos. Mchamunzwa achitaura anditika ndianenge ari ku site most of the time achita oversee what the guys will be doing, Mrexcel team will be doing, right? As you can see, there's the excavation process. Vari ku excavator kochizoitawo pane process ye casting of concrete footing, right? Kochizoitawo brickwork ye after casting of concrete, kochizoita backfilling, tochizoenda pa ramming. Tabva pa ramming tinochizoisa hardcore or gravel yatine compactor and for, right, it's a termite poison just in case kuzongoitira kuti pasaite ma termites and kochizoisa polythene plastic paper for moisture kuti isa rise from below to the first floor level and so I want to give you a breakdown of what it takes for you to build a substructure. All right, for you who doesn't know a substructure, substructure is foundation. And kubva pakuchera tichibva pangochera pasi handiti kusvika tanokasta slab yatinoti substructure handiti. So substructure ndinondoromba breakdown yekuti imba iyi, what it takes in terms of my materials and the range of the price that you should expect, because people sometimes they just daydream kuti maybe my materials anodiwa apa ndeakati. No, we actually calculate and tell you what is on the ground, what is needed, what is on the ground, and my materials anokwana. Sometimes they can be a bit of extra inozosara. And for this house we pakashandiswa 18,000 bricks from the substructure. Pakashandiswa ipo 125 bags the cement covering all stage. We are talking of casting, concrete, footing, brick work, foundation, tochizoita slabbing. So 125 bags and at a proper ratio, because pa mixture ratio apa panodiwa kuti panyatso kutedzwa pange pari guided nema building standards, so that at the end of the day the building will be durable. And concrete stones, they were 28 cubic meters. Kochizoita pit sand, it was 21 cubic meters, right? Then brick force, like for each and every course, we can say after every 3 to 4 courses there's need for a brick force, and it inenge chizongoiswa ipapo brick force, and it inodiwa brick force to make sure that the building is durable. And it ipapo we used about 40 rows, the 230 millimeter for the exterior walls, ndo atinotima 230 exterior walls, which is mukati ndo anozima 115. So for those ones we used about 35 rows. Termite poison 50 liters yodirwa imomo, magirinotorwa pasi termites. You won't have a problem, or you won't experience problem in termites. And for this one you need something like 5 to 6,000 US dollars to purchase these materials. Now the price differs depending nekwa munowana pit sand, depending nekwa munowana river sand, ma concrete stones nema bricks enyu, because zvazvinoita manje ndezvekuti some bricks are locally available anenge akatopiswa zvakanaka ari well compacted. That in that case zvinoreduce ma cost, and kana pit sand ne river sand iri padhuze zvinoreduce ma cost. Then kana kuri kuma raw areas, sometimes river sand rinongoenda kunotorwa muma pit sand rinotorwa padhuze, concrete stones anenge ari locally available, saka hazvizonyanyi kudini dhura as compared in urban areas. Because chinozoita kuti zvidhure in urban areas is one, the value of the land, that's number one. Number two, tingangoti distance and the width of that material according ne location yauri. And tikuti ma bricks kana achitengeswa mu urban areas, depending on the location yauri, they will be expensive in terms of their rate. But when we are in rural areas, you want to build in rural areas, they are cheap because of the area. And but at the end of the day, we are saying rural areas kune ma advantages akawanda, kuma reserved areas or kuma reserve. Ndoko yako munoti kuma reserve, guys. Ndoko munoti kuma reserve. People are making money. People are doing wonders in rural areas. People are doing wonders. I'm telling you. So I'm going to inspire and motivate you, so that kana we stand in town, you have to make sure that you develop your rural homestead. I will motivate you to do that. I'm here for that, right, guys? So as I was talking, as you can see, my guys were doing that work. So ndichambokusiyai muchiona some of the videos from the site. Be patient and you see the process how it unfolds. So per next stage, and ndichakuradzai superstructure stage ne breakdown yacho yema materials aripo ne in expected budget, because apa tati 5 to 6,000 US dollars ndo inokwanisa kuti ma materials in you'll be on a safe side to close the entire slab for such a structure, because measuring it has 151 square meters. Iyo building yacho, the entire building, the tikangoti payaka occupier pacho, the entire structure, it's 151 square meters. So it's a big structure and it's a very unique structure. You're going to see it paichange yapera yaita come into reality, and it yaita come into reality. Guys, make sure to follow again pa page riara ndataura rakangonzi Mrexcel. You get to see Mrexcel team ipapo, how we interact and how we do our things, and you get to like some of the guys over there. We're very transparent, accountability, reliable. Don't be afraid to contact us. We will deliver the service. It's an upcoming team that will change the landscape of of our country, we want to make sure that in terms of construction, right guys, we deliver, we come up with the best designs. Kana when design yakaona ku Dubai, you just tell us. We are flexible to design it. We can design anything, right? We are not that rigid kuti tinototi chitovaka iyoyo imba yakangofanana nechechi kana kuti imba iyoyo yakangoita zigebho yakaenda kana kuti zvekare kare zviya no matobata pane concept yacho handiti. So be flexible to come up with your designs, to come up with reference pictures pamunoya kuinbox, then ndonyatso kudesign nai zvamunenge muchida, because ma-architect manyama aripo, ma-urban planners manyama aripo, ma-quantity surveyors aripo anokuestimatera ima-materials, kochizoita ma-artisans anokava ma-sections e-plumbing, electricity varipo, vanoita nezve guys, ma-painters. We have those people who are ready to deliver the service, who are ready kuuya anywhere around Zimbabwe. So this program, I want to give you an insight of what it takes for you to build and come up with a very beautiful structure in rural areas with your budget, of course. For some people vanovaka in phases, and for some people vanongovaka just kawan. It all depends with how you get your income, and at the end of the day tese tinozongopedza kudi to achieve our dreams. Ndizvoka.